So what Shylock is answering? I have informed your grace of my intention, and by our holy God of hosts I have sworn. Sworn means to take a pledge. Holy God of hosts is a holy religious book of Jews. Okay, to have the due and forfeit of my word. Forfeit means loss. So what Shylock is saying here, he said to Duke that actually I have taken a pledge by keeping a hand on my holy book, okay, God of hosts, and I swear that I have to, we can say, fulfill the bond. And as he had not returned my money, as Antonio had not returned the money on that particular day, I have to take his flesh. Okay, if you deny it, means if you refuse it, let disaster fall upon your charter. Charter means law, and your city's freedom. Means if you refuse to do this, then nobody will follow this law. Everybody will not have any trust in the law. Okay, you'll ask me why I rather choose to have a pound of carrion flesh than to receive 3,000 ducats. So this is the amount of money which Antonio had to return to him. Ducats is their currency. I'll not answer that, but say it's my bank. Now is it answered? Some men go mad if they behold a cat, and others when a bagpipe sings a note. Do wet their pants in fright. Fright means fear, and thus one's nature rules over feeling and sways it to the mood of what it likes or loathes. Now for your answer, as there is no firm reason to be rendered means made over in return, why one cannot endure a gaping pig. Okay, and why one is crazed to see a harmless cat, why one who hears the playing of a bagpipe must yield to shame by wetting his own pants. So can give no reason more than to say there is a lodged hate, means complaint, hate, and a certain loathing means disliking. Okay, and I bear Antonio that I follow thus a losing suit against him. Are you answered? So the Shylock is saying to the Duke that there is no reason behind this, why I want to take the pound of flesh. There are different type of people. Some are crazy, they see the cat and they got frightened. Some people are there, they listen the bagpipe as musical instrument, and they got frightened. Okay, there are some in fear, their pants are wet. Okay, so this way there are crazy kind of people. There are people who are very wicked, they are not brave at all, and there is no reason behind this. They have different phobias, they have different fears. So similarly, I have a disliking for Antonio. I don't like him, I have a hate for him. Okay, I just hate him. So in this regard, I just want to take the pound of flesh. So there is very crazy reason behind this, that I can't explain you the reason of hating him. I can't explain you why I want to take the pound of